Okay guys, I'm here to show you how to do the Chivas Coloridas part here on the bottom right of the transporte, the transportation in Colombia slide. So you are decorating this Chiva Colorida. You should, in the previous slide, have looked at a few different ones to get an idea of what is the general color scheme that comes with these and the general design. You can certainly personalize it, but you also want to show me that you understood and got a little bit out of what these are. So what I'm going to do and what you should do is add shapes. So when you go to insert, you have the shape option, or you even have it sometimes here, just this square and circle. And you can add a bunch of different shapes and play around with their size and filling in their color and their border to create something, a chivas coloridas, I should say. So like this. Maybe I want a rectangle that's rounded so that it kind of matches the rounded parts here. And I could go ahead and add one big, I think I can even make the corners a specific size. So I'm going to make one big rectangle here, and then up here where it says fill color, that's where you choose your colors. You can also, huge and super important for making this colorful, there's a custom option where you can choose a whole bunch of different like colors and styles of color, including how transparent it is. So you can choose different colors, fill it in that color. You can even choose a border like this. Up here are the borders. You can choose the size of the borders. Maybe you want a really thick border or even like insanely thick, like there's some 8 or 12, right? And then you can do the border a totally different color like that. You can put shapes over shapes. So I could choose another rectangle and I could put it over this one, or I could put it in the middle of this one and just leave it like white. You can do circles for the wheels. So I could do like a rim color basically by doing this. So you're just going to use the shapes to kind of like do what you feel would make it look like what it's supposed to, I guess I could say. Another really good option or useful thing here is the copy paste feature. So when you click on an object, all you have to do is hold down Control CTRL on the bottom left of your keyboard. So you hold it down and click the letter C, and then you hold it down again and click the letter V, and it will paste. So you can do multiple different things in a row. Also play around with the other images or shapes, I should say, like callouts has stars and things like that, or even this double wavy line. You can do lots of different things with the double wavy line. And maybe I'll fill that a different color. Maybe I'll do the border a different color, maybe a little bit thicker. I don't like that color. Let's do this one, maybe a little bit thicker. And then again, I can copy paste to create this effect here, like something that's underneath the windows or something like that. So just play around with it. Make sure that it matches what you learned about the Chivas Coloridas and what they generally look like. And then make sure to answer the questions on the bottom left as well. And that is everything.